Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Bites. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. Let's talk about pot roast, the beloved dish with a long history dating back to the Middle Ages in Europe. It became a staple of traditional American cuisine in the United States and has been enjoyed for several generations. Making the perfect pot roast requires a careful attention to details, from selecting the proper cut of meat to seasoning it with a blend of essential spices. And to start, choosing a tougher cut of meat like chuck roast, brisket, or bottom rounds that contains a good amount of connective tissue is essential. This tissue breaks down during the cooking process, producing tender and succulent meat. Well-marbled meat is also preferable as the fat adds flavor and moisture to the dish. A good spice blend includes a generous amount of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and fresh garlic sliced, rubbed over the meat. Perhaps the inclusion of dehydrated onion or fresh onion can be added for a sweet and a savory note, along with dried herbs like fresh thyme, rosemary, or bay leaves for added depth and complexity. Some of the common mistakes to avoid may include skipping the searing process, overcrowding the pan, insufficient liquid, cooking too high a temperature, and also refrain from resting the meat. So serving the meat before slow cooking is crucial, as caramelizes the surface, locks in the juices, and intensifies the flavor. Giving the meat ample space in the pan ensures even browning, and sufficient liquid is required to moisten the meat during cooking. Low and slow cooking is the key to a succulent and a tender pot roast, and resting the meat before slicing ensures it remains juicy and flavorful. Making the perfect pot roast requires patience and attention to detail. Still, the result is a culinary masterpiece that all will enjoy. And that is all on the perfect pot roast here on Quick Bites. We'll check back with you on the next round with another interesting discovery. Stay well.